I don't believe that I'm talking about a V-shaped growth or X-shaped growth for people to judge me. We want more efficient banks in the economy. I can't be sitting with a Lagarde and thinking that I'm doing a favor to the economy. If I had more resources to give, I would have given it to the people as much as we can. But we hadn't that kind of a comfort. We didn't have it then, we don't have it yet. We soon can hope to have it. I don't want to say I'm not bothered. At the same time, I didn't let it bother me, because otherwise, even during the pandemic, a lot of people kept asking me, is the rating agency worry stopping you from spending? Now I am spending. I've never gotten into the alphabet soup business of V, K, anything else, U or whatever. I've not even bothered to talk about it. I don't believe that I'm talking about a V-shaped growth or X-shaped growth for people to judge me. It's my business to help them. The economy will get triggered based on their hard work. I don't for a minute think it's me sitting in Delhi, North Block, to do it. So let there not be any confusion about that. It is the spirit of the Indian entrepreneur which is growing and which is delivering, and that is why I took the example of the cricket team in Australia.
That is very interesting.
If they could perform when no one in the cricket world thought Indians can perform, when you had the typical Australian sledging happening,
yes,
but they withstood all and showed performance. That's pure India, the Indian youth, which just want that little help from you and they'll do it all for themselves. If I'm going to be sitting around with such public sector banks, which are just not in a mood or even in a position to stand up, is it right to pour taxpayers' money to such banks?
Absolutely.
We want more efficient banks in the economy. I can't be sitting with a Lagarde and thinking that I'm doing a favor to the economy. To doubt the intent of the government. And that is where I feel I honestly want them to come on to the table, be at the table and talk it out with Narendra Singh Tomar, the minister, and specifically tell us where your grievances are. The PM himself has said that he is willing to look at any modification that they want and talk about it. I honestly want them to come and specify where does the problem lie. I honestly don't know who's stoking it, but I honestly also equally know that farmers, at least those who are present there, at least some of whom are farmers, are probably misguided. I want them to talk. I want them to please talk. I want them to talk on particular points of concern. I think I'll be foolish to say anything on this score, because who anticipated a corona in February 2020 when we gave the budget in all positive, with all optimism? We've made an honest attempt.